What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Powerology Ghost. Now, this is a most kind of portable speaker, as we have seen it on the Phantom lineup throughout the Powerology. They're really awesome, but right now we are having the Ghost. It's called the Powerology Ghost, and let us just see what's packed with this kind of portable speaker. Yeah, there we have it. So as you can see, guys, this is the Powerology Ghost, and throughout this kind of speaker, it's really awesome. Not only because it's packed with the camouflage, but it's really looking great, and it's having RGB. And for the enthusiasts who love RGB, well, just like me, it's really kind of dope. And it comes with variety of different kind of colors, like a black, there's a color which is like blue, and it's really kind of awesome throughout the Powerology Ghost. Let's get started on unboxing this kind of bad boy. So yeah, so guys, here we have it. This is our Powerology Ghost, and it's really kind of awesome. Now, first thing first, we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside, because I'm just really thrilled on this one and see what's goody throughout here. So guys, what you get throughout the packaging, you're getting an aux cable, which is really kind of great. Another kind of stuff, you're getting a micro USB cable, which I was expecting this one to be a type C, but well, it's a micro USB cable. Now let us just unbox our bad boy and see what's packed throughout this kind of bad boy. Whoa, this looks really cool, really amazing. I kind of vibe with it. It looks awesome. Same as the Phantom, how it looks like. This one looks like a baby Phantom, but it's really kind of awesome, looking great in here. As you can see, guys, it's a Powerology Ghost, and let us just pour it on and see what's happening throughout here. Whoa, okay, you hold it. Nice, that's good. Powerology, I kind of like that. You can see both ways. There's an RGB glowing, which is really kind of great. And another kind of stuff at the back here, you can see there's aux and USB and memory card. TF, it's for memory card, I guess so. And yeah, definitely. As you can see here, guys, at the back, there's a micro USB port for charging, there's a USB port, and there's a micro SD card, and there's aux, which is really kind of awesome. Throughout this kind of speaker, it has a 5 watts power, which is really kind of great, and the capability of playtime, it's 4 to 5 hours, same as the Phantom, but I wish Phantom could be having more playtime, like 12 hours, but this one has 4 to 5 hours, same as the lineup of the Powerology speakers, which is really kind of great. Before we continue, as you can see, guys, throughout the specification, it has a wireless standard 5.0, which it's a Bluetooth, and the transmission up to 10 meters. Playtime is 4 to 5 hours. Output of power, it's 5 watts, and you can see it here. And the battery capability is 1500 milliampere of battery. So that's it. Okay, that's good. So let us just play some music in here and see what's happening throughout the speaker. Is it good, or what is it going on in here? Okay. Okay, quite not bad. And you can't even feel the bass. Same as Phantom, the way they kept it. And another kind of stuff which I figured it out, these are like legs. You can keep it this way. Okay, quite not bad. Whoa, that's an additional sound there. Man, that's good, man. Whoa, yeah, man, this is dope. Man, man, this is epic, man. This speaker is good, man. This speaker is really good. The 5 watts out of it is quite not bad. It's really awesome, but the playtime, I think that's a little bit like something which we can talk about it. But toward the speaker form factor, man, this is go. And you can see here, you can differentiate depending on the RGB you wanted. And I think when you hold it, it might be is it turning it off, or can you turn off the RGB? That might be a question for a lot of you guys. So not RGB is for everyone, but okay, that is like turning it on again. Okay, that's the RGB there. I don't know why it did that, but you cannot turn off the RGB, I think. Oh, it has an FM radio. Okay, it has FM radio, and it's really kind of great if it has an FM radio. That's what's up. This is the Powerology Ghost. It's really nice. It's much better than the JBL Go 3, to be honest, on this kind of Powerology Ghost. It's really awesome because the features which it has, it's really great, same as JBL Go 3, but this is more than JBL Go 3 because this one you're able to just keep your memory card inside. You are able to slap it with your flash drive on the go. You are able to play even the FM radio, which is really kind of great for the enthusiasts who love the FM radio. This kind of speaker, it got you covered throughout all the criteria you want to. So I give it go to the Ghost speaker from Powerology, and it's really deserving to be Ghost. It's a really kind of awesome, small, tiny, and it's really dope. Same kind of form factor on the Phantom of Powerology, which we saw. It's really kind of awesome, but this one is the pocket sized and it's dope. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this video today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Do you look forward to get these kind of Powerology speakers? They're really dope, and you can get them at Gadgetronix if you're living in Arusha, and especially if you're living in Tanzania, you can get these kind of speakers at Gadgetronix. They're really nice, amazing speakers. They give you great and amazing kind of sound on the go if you're on the move, and for sports too, it's a really decent speaker. So that's what's up, guys, about the video of today. You're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, check you guys on the next one, and peace.